That'll finish the third round. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the line to hook a standing pin. The fourth lap is made up of 8 groups. 2 short stitches, 1 plus 1, that's 32 stitches. Now let's start the hook. The first group hooks the first short needle at the point of the draw. Tag point. 2 short needles. 1 plus pin. It's 2 short needles to the eye of a needle. This is the first type. The second set of a short needle. 2 short needles. 1 plus pin. The second set is finished. Then there are 6 more groups. Let's finish it. The fourth loop is over. Remove marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. End of drawing. Tension wire. And then we start to hook the clothes. First we'll hook 3 standing pins. Take a loop and pull it over. It's a standing pin. It's like a V-shaped thing. Then the second standing pin. The third standing pin. And then we weigh in the same needle. This is the eye of the needle that was drawn, and 5 long needles are drawn here. Add 1 stitch. A long stitch plus a stitch works like this. Wind the wire twice. Right here in the eye of the needle that was drawn. Get through. Draw a circle of line. Now there are 12/34 loops on this crochet hook. Now we're going to hook this coil slowly. First crochet around the coil. Bypass 2 coils. So now we're left with 3 lines. Let's hook a loop with a crochet hook. Hook off 2 coils. Now we only have 2 coils left. Hook a coil again to put this. The 2 coils are hooked. In this way. This is called a long stitch and a stitch. So the eye of the needle here. We have to hook 5 of these long stitches plus 1. Then we'll hook the second long stitch and add a stitch. Wind the wire twice. Put the needle in the same eye. Hook a coil out. Draw the coil again. Cross out the 2 circles. Now there are 3 coils left. Hook another coil. Cut out the 2 coils. 2 coils left. Hook another coil. This is the second stitch. Then there are 3 more stitches. We'll finish it together. Wind the wire twice. And then draw the same needle here. Now there are 4 coils on the crochet hook. We'll hook another coil. Then hook off both coils. Now there are 3 coils left. We'll hook another coil. Hook off 2 coils. Now we have 2 coils left. Hook another coil. Finish hooking these 2 coils. That's already the 3rd hook. And then 2 more. Let's hook it up. Alright, 5 long stitches and 1 are done. You can count them. This braid doesn't count. This is 12,345, 5 stitches. And then we can stretch this line a little bit. Take off the crochet hook. It's right here in the eye of the first needle. Take a look at this place. The eye of the needle here. Go through the first stitch here. Pull. Pull the thread tight and hook 3 braid pins. This is the first braid needle. Second braid pin. The 3rd braid pin. Then wind your coils as you did just now. And then there are 2 stitches above the circle. This is the first shot. This is the 2nd needle. It's on the 3rd pin. We start hooking the 2nd popcorn. Put the needle here. Hook a coil over here. Just like you did with the long needle and the stitch. Now add a stitch to the first long stitch. This goes around the 2 coils and then draws the Y end. Go around 2 more coils and draw the Y end. Go around 2 more coils. That's the first long stitch of the 2nd popcorn plus a stitch. And then we have 4 more stitches. Double coil. The eye of the same needle here a 2nd long stitch and a stitch. After the 2nd hook, hook the 3rd. The 4th needle. The 5th needle. Alright, after these 5 hooks are done, we bring the crochet hook, coup. Here's the first stitch. This needle goes right through this place. And then pull this coil over here. Hook another coil over here. The 2nd popcorn is done. Then we hook a popcorn in the same way. Hook the first of 2 standing pins. Wind the second needle twice. 2 more stitches apart. The needle is placed at the destination. It's like saying the third needle starts here. 123. Hook a third popcorn here. Let's pull the wire. Cut out the 2 coils. Pull the wire and hook off 2 coils. Only hook 2 coils at a time. Pull the wire and hook off the last 2 coils. That's the first long stitch plus 1. Then there are 4 long stitches and 1 more. Let's finish it. Same needle right here.